Hi, have you ever seen a post and wondered, wait, this has to be fake, but then you notice it has thousands of likes and you start thinking, maybe it's true.
Yeah, that happens to all of us. The internet moves so fast that in all that rush, it gets really hard to tell what's true and what's not. So today, let's talk about something that slowly bends the way we think, without us even realizing it. It's called propaganda.
Propaganda doesn't just mean posters or slogans anymore. These days, it shows up as trending reels, eye-catching graphics, memes, and tweets. It's content made to push us to think or feel a certain way, often using half-truths, dramatic claims, or it is one-sided narratives.
Sometimes it's easy to spot, like when a fake quote is added to a celebrity's photo. But most of the time, it's done smartly, like a reel that makes fun of a certain group, or an infographic that cherry-picks only the facts that fit one side.
Means it's not always a complete lie. Sometimes it hides parts of the truth or tells it in such an emotional way that you feel like this is the only truth. Slowly, your thinking gradually shifts in that direction.
On social media, it's whatever grabs attention that spreads the fastest, whether it's true or not. Because platforms only care about likes and comments. Posts that shock us, scare us, or make us feel like we're so smart, those go viral the quickest.
This creates a sort of echo chamber, which means we keep seeing the same posts that agree with what we already believe. Any other point of view slowly disappears.
And our brains naturally trust what we already think is true. This is called confirmation bias. This means we believe things that support our existing opinions.
Another trick is aesthetic bias. When we see something that looks good, we tend to trust it more easily. So if a post has pretty colors or there are stylish charts, we think whatever is written is true, even if it is misleading or wrong.
And think about it. When a big influencer or YouTuber says something so confidently, we tend to just trust them, even if they have zero real knowledge about that topic. That's called the authority effect.
So then, how do we spot propaganda?
Pay attention to the language. If a post says things like wake up before it's too late, or if you disagree, then you're the problem, that's a big warning sign. It's trying to push you or guilt you.
Or when someone keeps repeating, I'm just asking, but what if? All those innocent questions are actually pushing you towards conspiracies.
Another clue. Is the post showing just one side of the story? Like a post that talks about prices going up, but not explaining why. That's called selective framing, presenting facts in a way that only proves their point.
And remember, even memes can spread propaganda. Political memes, AI-generated images, or reels with dramatic music. All of these can shift your opinion very quickly.
This isn't just about arguments online. Propaganda impacts real life too. It spreads hate and division, confuses people, and makes them doubt the media. And it makes people follow blindly without asking questions.
It can influence elections and policies. It can trigger violence and change how we tend to perceive each other.
And when we stop verifying the truth and only react with emotion, that's when it's easiest to fool us. So, what should we do? You don't need to be an expert. Just pick up a few simple habits. First, pause for a second before you share. Second, ask yourself, who's gaining from this? Third, do a quick Google search. It can clear up so much. Fourth, step out of your bubble. Talk to people who see things differently from you.
Learn to spot bias. Notice what's being said and what's being left out. Pay attention to the words being used.
Follow people with different perspectives. If your feed looks the same every day, you're probably missing something. Add some variety.
And the most important thing, pause a little and slow down. Propaganda loves speed, but the truth takes a bit more time.
We're all still learning. It's not about knowing everything, it's about asking the right questions.
So before you believe, think twice and share wisely.